Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to back up CapCut project from one phone to another. Alright guys, here I have opened my CapCut application in my phone. And first of all, if we want to back up our CapCut project, we can log into our CapCut with our Google account or social media accounts such as TikTok or Facebook. And here I have logged into my CapCut with my TikTok account, as you can see. Then we can go back to the preview section and select a project that you want to back up. And for instance, I'm just going to back up this project. So we can click on this three dots button and click on upload to space. Okay, and now we can click on upload. Then the project now is being uploaded to my CapCut space. And you have to wait until the uploading process has been completed. And you have to wait until 100%. Okay, and I think it's done. Then I'm going to check it on my CapCut space. We can click on space. Okay, and click on project. And this is the project that I have just backed up. And if we want to back up this project from one phone to another phone, we have to log in with the same account in another phone. And after we have logged in with the same account, we'll be able to access this CapCut project. Alright guys, and that's how we can back up our CapCut project from one phone to another. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.